The question is, a 10 ohm electric heater operates on a 110 volt line. Calculate the rate at which it develops heat in watts. A 1310 watt, B 670 watt, C 810 watt, D 1210 watt. Is P is equal to V square upon R. So P will be equal to, V is obtained is 110 volt, so whole square on 110 divided by R, which is obtained is 10 ohm, so divided by 10. So P will be equal to, the square of 110 will be 110 into 110 divided by 10. So this 0 will be get cancelled with this 0. So 110 into 11, it will be obtained as 1210 watt. So the correct option will be D, 1210 watt.